Welcome to the very final episode of our body language curriculum. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to look at the individual body mechanic of framing, and we'll be doing that through the context of your muscular systems. My name is Jesse Lopez, and here we go for the very last one. So from a muscular system perspective, we're going to be looking at the upper body's shoulder girdle so that we can make sure that we're presenting ourselves in a way that looks like we're dancing as opposed to looks like we're working at the computer. Not supposed to work at the computer like this, but I know that you know that we all do it. As we stand up inside of our well-postured placement, we're going to ask that you use your shoulders to bring them inward and downward. The result of that is that your upper body is going to look like you're holding it on purpose. If you squeeze that, it doesn't necessarily create better posture because of the imbalances within your body's muscular systems. What I'd like you to know, guys, is that we're going to engage
our infraspinatus in order to rotate the shoulder blades inward at a 45-degree angle to the back. We're going to pull down through the latissimus dorsi and allow that to expand out through the serratus muscle that attaches to your rib cage so that you can have an expansion of the overall pectoral range so that you can demonstrate that you're a good dancer with elevation.
What that means is squeeze, press. Easy peasy. The result of that is that you're going to have an upper body posture that looks like it's very purposeful as you move through your double steps. For those of you who learn visually and not verbally, the difference in that is that if I'm going to be dancing West Coast swing here, I can move, I can have fun with it, but if I stand that up and do the same thing, it looks just a little bit cleaner, as if I was being more intentional with it. So lift yourself up, expand wide, press down, and allow your shoulders to hold themselves from a muscular perspective. It's also going to be really good for the partnership's feeling on the long-term side. It's really not that bad. I just want to make sure that you're engaging your shoulders at roughly 60% of their capabilities. Now, that needs to range and scale with your partner, but luckily we're all stuck at home and don't have any partners, so we're good to go as far as practicing these pieces. All right, everybody, it's time. We're switching into practice mode so that we can work on our muscular framing. At home, the trick is to do it to music, so keep going even after the video's over. Squeeze up in the shoulders, let it down. Squeeze down in the shoulders, let it relax. Chin the arms now, squeeze those muscles, and then let them hold themselves. To the rib cage, hold the core, and let it go. We're trying to find fluidity of the body, so we need to let the muscles hold themselves. In the hips, squeeze, let it go. Shift and move, groove, let the music influence what you do, but don't hold the muscles too tight or stiff because it'll change how you look when you dance. Move, use the rhythms. And enjoy dancing at home, guys. Keep practicing, and I'll see you for the next set of tutorials. Peace. Dance West Coast swing. Now, in order to do that, now, what I'd like you to know is not happening again, I promise. Systems. Framing. Wiggle the head, nod a lot. Imagine some seether, nod some more. Dancing, just not this dancing. Closing, these are the worst. Those are my 2 cents.